Something else that I've noticed that helps so much with complex PTSD is being in nature, whatever that is, forest, mountains, ocean, lakes, rivers, what have you, and being around animals. Animals that can provide unconditional positive regard. The reason for this is that when we are in an energy of unconditional positive regard, which we likely never got as a child, it helps to calm down the nervous system. It helps to regulate the nervous system. And when we're in nature, nature is so much related to spirituality. It helps us become aware that we are more than our childhood experiences or our adolescent experiences. We are much more. We're in a human body having a spiritual experience. And nature is all about spirituality. So just those two things alone can make a huge difference in anyone healing from complex PTSD.